Phlebotomy refers to the process of collecting blood from a patient for diagnostic testing, blood donation, or treatment. It is an integral part of healthcare as blood tests enable doctors to diagnose and treat a wide range of health problems. Our CPD-accredited phlebotomy training course at CareSkills Training provides you with the skills and knowledge you need to become a phlebotomist. This course is ideal for individuals seeking to launch a career in the healthcare field. It is also suitable for care workers, medical students, or anyone interested in working in a hospital or clinic. If you are ready to learn and want to help others, then this course is for you. In this course, you will learn everything you need to know to get started. It covers the basics of phlebotomy, including how the body's blood system works and how to identify the correct veins. You will also learn how to collect blood safely and how to maintain a clean and safe environment. We will also guide you through the key regulations and best practices relevant to phlebotomy in the UK healthcare setting. At CareSkills Training, we make learning flexible and easy to understand. You can study online from anywhere at your own pace. We also provide complete customer support throughout your learning process. Enroll now and start your phlebotomy training journey. To learn more, please read the description below and visit our website for further information.